Okay, so in the demo, let's try creating a demo here. I actually already prepared this thing before, but let's do it from the scratch. So here, what we are trying to do is develop a program to calculate movie ticket prices for different age groups. So I am actually redoing this video because I unfortunately forgot to turn on my mic while I was recording this one. Okay, so develop a program to calculate movie ticket prices for different age groups. Let's begin. I'll be redoing everything. Okay, so where do I have it here? Okay, so I have just cleared up all my code. So here I have in week 2 branch_test.py is the file name that I have created just to demonstrate. So we can create a new variable user_age equals. What we need to do is to take an input. We can print differently message. I'd say please enter your age, and it will actually, when we execute this code, you can see when we execute this code Python 3 and branch_test.py, it actually prints the message and it prompts a user to provide an age. So let's say if I provide an age, let's say 30, so it will be 30 will then be assigned to this variable user_age. Remember, whatever input we take from the user using the input function with the help of a keyboard, it is always in the form of a string. So we cannot perform an arithmetic or Boolean operation on a string. Okay, so we need to convert that into an integer type. So which means that whatever input we take, we first convert it into, after taking the input, we first pass it into integer. And once it is converted into an integer, we assign it to user_age variable. Now once we have the integer value user_age, we can start building up our logic. So let's say if user_age is greater than, or let's say less than 18, do not forget to include colon at the end. Then what do we not want to do is ticket price equal, let's say 10. Okay, elif, so you can see as soon as I typed elif, it automatically intended it back and align it with the if statement, indicating that elif is not a part of this piece of code. So elif user_age is less than 30, let's say, or less than 45. For example, we are setting up a ticket price for a person who is less than 18 years of age and any person who is less than 45 years of age. So ticket price would be, let's say we call it like $13. Else, if a person is greater than 45 years of age, we can say the ticket prices would be ticket_price is set to what? Let's say $8 for any person who is elder than 45 years of age. Okay, now this block of code will be finished. Print, let's say your age is, so in order to pass a value, print a value within the message statement like this, user_age, we have to use the f string. Here, your age is this, and the ticket price for you is, we can print the ticket price. Okay, so now we have developed our logic and we can now execute the code and test it. So what is happening now? Let's go line by line. When I execute this code, it first executes this line. Please enter your age. Let's say we print, we enter the age 23. Okay, so 23, when I hit 23, when I write 23, what will happen? This condition will not satisfy because the 23 is not less than 18. So this is not going to be the ticket price. What about this one? So yes, this condition will satisfy and the ticket's price would be set to 13. And then else block, of course, is not going to be executed. Then the print statement, which is outside of this branch structure, it will be executed. It will print my age, whatever I have providing, I'm providing 23, and the ticket price that is associated according to my age. Okay, so your age is 23 and the ticket price for you is 13. I can try rerunning it again. Let's clear the screen and try a different age. Let's say 60. Okay, so in this case, first two condition does not satisfy and it will execute the else block anyway. Okay, and there you go. Your age is 60 and the ticket price for you is 8. Okay, so let's go back to the